Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Beelink Mini S. The latest released 10nm lithography and professional office mini PC Beelink Mini S. It equips with Intel registered Jasper Lake processor N5095, 4 cores and 4 threads for efficient simultaneous multitasking. The multitasking works buttery smooth. Dual display and wireless support. Beelink Mini S Mini PC can connect 2 monitors at the same time, which can achieve a simultaneous multitask display. 802.11 acres dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with stronger resisting disturbance and more stable wireless signal. Beelink Mini S features a variety of interfaces designs, for USB 3.0, 2 HDMI, 1 RJ45 1000M LAN, 1 audio jack, HP and mic, 1 DC jack, comes with a wall-mounted bracket to allow you to hang mini computers behind monitor. Mini S Mini PC support Wake on LAN, PXE boot, RTC Wake, auto power on. Get into BIOS interface settings. Spent less than 1 kWh one day. Using this low-consumption mini PC at least reduce the carbon footprint. Number 2. Chatreey IT12 Gaming Mini PC. i9-12900H have 14 cores 20 threads, max turbo to 5.0 GHz, with the most powerful version of iRISC's graphics, offering 96 ESUS, max to 1.4 GHz. This mini gaming PC have a RAM of 32GB DDR4 2x16GB, max to 64GB, with a storage of 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, support 2XM.2 2280 SSD, 1 XPCIe 3.0 SSD plus 1 XPCIe 4.0 SSD. Support 1x2.5-inch SATA SSD, HDD. It built-in 2x2.5G Intel Ethernet, comes with Windows 11 Pro and activated, support FSense, Linux and Windows, can be used in wide area. The Thunderbolt 4 is full-function version, support DP output, power input, eGPU, USB 3.2. The speed max to 40 GB/s. It support 4x4K output by 2 XTMI plus DP plus Thunderbolt 4, more display, more possible. Number 3. GMKtec M5 Mini PC. GMKtec Notebooks M5 series is equipped with the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, 8 cores/16 threads, boost up to 4.30 GHz. Based on the Zen 2 Plus architecture, pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, this small but powerful mini PC delivers satisfying results in productivity, office work, and gaming. 30% performance increase over previous AMD Ryzen 5 5600U, 5560U, 5500U, installed with DDR4 32GB RAM dual channel, 2x16GB. The Notebooks M5 Mini PC support expansion to 64GB RAM, featured with 1TB M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 SSD, support dual slot expansion to PCIe 4.04TB SSD, fast network speeds, enjoy up to 2500 Mbps data transmission speed without worrying about lagging, ideal for working, gaming, and surfing the internet. Great for Untangle, FSense or as a server office PC. Notebooks M5 integrates AMD Radeon Vega graphics 8-core 1900MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of complex design software, 4K at 60Hz UHD video editing, and playback, or mid-range gaming, and it can connect to 3 display screens simultaneously. Number 4. Intel Celeron N200 Mini PC. Despite Chatreey ET8 is 3.5 by 3.5 by 1.7 inch size, It comes with a 3.4 GHz Intel 12th N100 CPU, 8GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB M.2 SSD. Ideal for multitasking and complex tasks, it's a powerhouse for efficiency. The Chatreey Mini PC features 10 ports, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2, allowing easy and tidy wireless connection of peripherals. It's ideal for work, distance learning, or home theater. Enhance your viewing with the Mini PC's triple screen display. With 3 HDMI ports, it supports 4K at 60Hz Ultra HD and multiple display modes, boosting your work and play efficiency. The T8 Pro Mini PC's dual gigabit Ethernet ports and powerful Intel CPU 12th chip enable easy running of various applications, unlocking your creativity. It is energy efficient with just 15 watts power consumption and a low noise fan for heat dissipation, ensuring a quiet, comfortable environment. Ideal for business trips, it delivers powerful performance on the go. Number 5. ESUS Intel N100 Mini PC. The ESUS Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed for the modern user who demands high-performance computing in a small form factor. Equipped with the Intel 12th Gen N100 processor, this Mini PC delivers exceptional processing power, making it ideal for multitasking and running demanding applications. The integrated Intel UHD graphics Gen 12 ensures smooth visuals for gaming, video editing, and other graphics-intensive tasks. With 16GB of DDR4 memory and a 512GB SSD, the ESUS Mini PC provides ample storage and memory for all your files and applications. The ESUS Mini PC is not just about performance, it's also about connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet, you can enjoy fast and reliable internet connectivity, perfect for streaming and online gaming. The dual 4K at 60Hz HDMI/DP output allows for an immersive visual experience, whether you're using it as a desktop PC or a gaming console. The ultra-quiet cooling fan design ensures that the Mini PC operates silently, making it a perfect addition to any home or office environment. The ESUS Mini PC is a versatile device that can be used in various scenarios. Its pocket PC design makes it highly portable, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're working from home, studying, or enjoying multimedia content, this Mini PC is a perfect companion. Its sleek and modern design complements any desk setup, making it an attractive addition to your workspace. With its compact size and powerful performance, the ESUS Mini PC is the ultimate choice for those who value both functionality and style.